Your 20s can be some of the best years of your life. You're young, likely looking and feeling great, and it's a time to seek out fun and adventure. I want you to explore new things and make awesome memories. But here's the catch. While it's great to try different experiences, you also need some focus. Instead of jumping from one hobby to another, like writing poetry, playing in a rock band, and studying chemistry without any rhyme or reason, think about how these interests connect to what you really care about. This way, your adventures can help guide you towards something meaningful. Once you hit your 30s, you might start to feel a shift. You'll look back on your 20s with fondness, knowing you've had your fill of excitement and now you're ready for something more serious. By then, you'll have a better idea of what you love, and that's when you can really commit to a path that feels right for you. So, enjoy your 20s, try new things, but remember to keep your eyes open for what truly speaks to your heart.